Okay, quick record is working. Okay, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, it's a neutral and it's told.
A few moments later.
Okay, so there is some problem with Gaurang's clutch. So it recently had got banged up while it was parked. So he's put a different lever, but I see some free play in the clutch cable, so I don't think it's disengaging properly. But now the speedometer is fixed. He's put new handlebars and everything, but the only thing I'm not sure about is whether it is giving full power delivery, because I feel because of this free play in the clutch, the cable is a bit held up. Anyways, besides that, the bike feels alright. So we're just gonna be doing a Dominar rip, and Gaurang's put new disc rotors. Disc rotors, yeah. So he's got a new rotor in the front and back, which has made the braking bite very good. Like the brake really bites well. So besides this clutch issue, I think the bike's working absolutely fine. So we're just going to be taking a quick rip on Gaurang's bike, and you know, there's nothing new. I was not able to come up with any idea for some content, and Gaurang was like, bro, just try and ride my bike. So that's what I'm out to do. And the clutch is not adjusted properly. It feels weird. We're going to be doing a quick highway pull, and we'll see how it goes. And since we have the speedo in place, we'll now know how much his bike actually goes. So 140 we already have touched. Not bad. And tires are cold, so I gotta be careful right now. But now his bike's running really good, huh? Besides this throttle grip which is coming out. So a few issues, that is the throttle grip and the clutch. But otherwise it's running nice and smooth. This is bugging, man. Lot of traffic. Lot of traffic. But now I can ride it confidently because the brakes are good. And now I can actually show you all what a Dominar is capable of, if you ask me. Yeah, the clutch is slipping, yeah. Like suddenly there's loss of power in between. Wow, in between is what I meant. But see, this is the fun on naked motorcycles which you can't have on a faired bike, the way you can split. And this bike is heavy, so it's very, very stable. Wow. Yeah, the roads here are a bit they're a bit messed up, you know, rains and all. And the Western Expressway lately has been really messed up anyways. But reminds me of the days when I used to rip around on the FC, you know. And what car is that? An MG Comet. Look at that, it looks like an auto rickshaw. Yo! And he's ripping, bro, he's ripping. Anyways, we're gonna be U-turning from under this bridge. Oh. Wow. And not wow. Really not wow. What the hell? This bike has got good engine braking and it's more refined than the RC390, not my 200, because that's what we'll compare it to. It's more refined than the 390 in the low end. Like the 390, it really jitters a lot, but it's got good low end torque, man, you know. And now we can actually see what speeds we are clocking. And yeah, although the clutch is not alright, I wish it was, we would actually be able to extract more potential, but still it should do the job. I have an ND filter and it's getting dark, so I don't know if the footage is gonna come alright. I hope it's not underexposed, but still, let's see. We're tiring right now. Yeah, lot of traffic. Yeah, excuse me, boys. Why has everyone slowed down? Gonna tear from the right. Yep. And I can take full advantage of the slipper clutch. Yeah, this part I don't like. Been getting a lot of tank slappers lately. The first tank slapper also I got was here only, and yeah, I never enjoy gunning out through this. Very, very bumpy, you know. Anyways, I've not seen what speed I had clocked, but should be good enough. We'll find out on reclamation if we find it empty. But bike so far is running excellent, beside a few knickknacks here and there. Really wanted to jump it, but there's so much traffic up ahead, I'll ram someone if I try jumping it right now. Beautiful. I've somewhat got a wrist pain, yeah, for some reason. The grips, yeah, that's what's causing the pain. Really stiff. Yo bro, no, not like that, not like that. Healthy patched out. Oh my god, I don't like this traffic. There's some idiots who want to go left for no reason. Oh, look at that convoy. Some VIP movement going on, boys. Anyways, couldn't care enough. Okay, my phone's flying. Woo! Okay, did 140. .140 is what we could clock, obviously, because not a lot of space, we didn't get enough drive in the run. And yeah, his clutch is not all right, man, but yes, I had fun. Wait till I get a naked motorcycle, guys. Wait till I get a naked motorcycle. It's so much more easy to flick around. Although this bike is heavy, it's still easier to flick around. And really don't, and it's so comfortable, you know. I can ride around on this all day long. If I really could, if the clutch was alright, I could have popped a video on this, but never mind. Should I try popping one is the question. Oh, it does come up, yeah. Yeah, if I really want to, I can put it up in first gear, but not my bike, so not really gonna risk it. And we encounter traffic, so I'm gonna end the video here. I mean, if you all enjoyed this kind of tuning and riding, which y'all can only do, which one can only do on a naked, then give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, the subscribe button. Hurry, what the hell? There's something wrong with the sensor. How is it in gear? There's something off. Anyways, we'll figure this out. It's probably too dark right now. I don't know if I can even see because of the anti-filter. I mean, but if you'll enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next motovlog. Peace out, guys.